Yo, what up fam, it's your boy Mike doing another review today. Today we're going to be doing a review on eBay's finest. The massage gun. Pretty basic. It comes in a pretty basic box. Of course, as always, you've got your Chinese writing on the front of it, instructions on the back. So what it actually comes with, it comes with 4 different massage board joints, depending on different parts of the muscle that you're trying to do. Then obviously you've got the head of it itself, and we'll find it out from here. Alright, so what's in the box? So as you can see, the brand that I've got is the Phoenix one, okay, which is pretty solid. And what we want to do is, let's have a look. So that's a head unit. So pretty nice air vents on the top. Inserts go in here. Comes with a button here, and it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little battery icons. You've got the charger as well. So the charger here, as you can see, it's an aftermarket cable. So depending on your region, depending on what you're going to be charging it at, yeah, it's pretty cool. But look, it even says, it's even got the brand name there as well. Pretty handy. So battery pack, put 2 and 2 together. So there's a button there that says push, and obviously that's going to go in there. These are good. It goes in like that. Yep. You know what we'll do is we'll just push it in there. Gamma. Okay, and then it just snaps it in there, and then that's it. That's how it goes in, which is pretty easy. Nextly, we have the different types of heads. So head number 1 is this one here. And we've got head number 2. Depending on what you guys want to use it on, it does so on and so forth. We've got head number 3. It's good for the knee joints, so they can just go bang, 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 bang along the spine as well. And you've got the normal one here, which is just your basic tap, 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 which is pretty cool. Let's stick with this one. So pretty easy. So that just goes in like that, and that's it. There's no lock. There's no other thing into it. You just push it in, and that's it. Done. So first things first. If you have a look at the switch, there's an on and an off switch. You just turn it on. So once you flick this one on here, see these lights. Comes on. So you've got 4 different lights. So this has 3 modes. So you got so what we'll do is we'll do a little test. We'll just go 1. Okay, that's 1 and 2. 2 and 3. Which is pretty heavy duty as well. So quite a nice unit, very easy to hold, pretty standard. It's good charging rate. Best thing to use as well. And it's off, just off. It's a little charger point that comes there. So if you guys want to charge it, put it there, just put that in there. It's pretty easy, and take it out, it's done. And there you go. That's about it. So there you go, that's my take. And obviously you can change up the heads, easy as that. And then you can put on this head as well. So you just put the head into it. And then you're going to turn it on. And then that's it.
So guys, that was my review on the Phoenix massage gun, and if you like that, obviously give me a thumbs up. Make sure there's more videos to come through, but if you like what you see, you want me to review on something else, leave a comment down below, let me know, and we'll go from the next one. Cheers.